guys. So I just got out the steam room and I haven't did a video in so long, but I wanted to show you guys a video. My hair is still looking good. But let me tell you, I have to do another video to kind of update you guys on my products that I use. But let me tell you this right here, the Essential 17. Let me tell you something. Now, before you use it, you're supposed to massage your scalp with any oil so it can absorb and get that scalp, ready for that oil. But since I'm a steam room person and been a steam room person for years, I come in the steam room, let them pores open up, and drizzle this stuff up in my hair. And I'm talking about growth is insane, guys. I just love it. I really do love it. And I've also been using the lemongrass conditioner. So before I go in the steam room, I put the conditioner in my hair. But this right here, baby. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm telling you, I come to the steam room about 3 times a week. And I try and stick that oil up in there, let them pores open up. It's like soil, planting seeds. And when it rains, you love it because it flourishes. Same thing with the oil. Open my scalp, put the oil in there, and the steam and the moisture and the water. You guys can't see right now, but it's just a little bit wet just from the steam and my lemongrass conditioner. But I will do a video to update you on what all of my other products are, such as my twist stuff that I use. Kwame Biologics, that's the only one that I use, to be honest with you. But I gotta have my oil, and this is it. And I gotta have my leave-in conditioner. I'll spend money on that. Shampoo, a lot of body, that's all I need. But them oils and them twists and the leave-ins works wonders. But I'll do another video, guys. I haven't did one in so long, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm looking like with my hair. I can't do a whole full thing because I got a towel on, but yeah, love it. And the shine, let me tell you something, when I hit that sun, you guys don't even, that sun cracking with that oil. But, yes, big ups. I believe in this, guys. I believe in this. And to be honest, I've been following her for a long time. Never really used her products until a few months ago. But this is a staple, and the leave-in's a staple. And my Kwame Biologics is a staple. That's how I get this hair. All right, you guys, I got to get up out of here. But, do a video soon. Take care. I hope that hair growth journey is working for you guys. All right. Bye-bye.